Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about why vinyl flooring is good in Mississauga or in the GTA area. First things first, the climate. If you've ever stepped foot in Canada or you live here, you know that our weather is kind of wild. It can either be hot as a summer's day in the desert or cold like the Arctic, right? And the humidity levels, the humidity levels are crazy. You know, it could be super wet. You're just walking around and you're always sweating. Or it's so dry that my face is cracked, my lips are cracked, my face is peeling. As much as my body hates the changes every single year, vinyl flooring just does not care. Natural products are going to swell, they're going to absorb the moisture, or they're going to dry out and then change their shape and form, and that's how you get damaged floors over time. With vinyl, you actually don't have to worry about that. It doesn't do any swelling, any shifting in the two extremes of weather, whether it be the cold winters or the super hot summers. It just chills and you're good. Next thing is that it is insanely easy to maintain. I know that if I invest into something really expensive, such as new computer, new floors, I will take care of that thing like it's my child, right? Like a freshborn baby. I would not drop a plastic spoon on that floor. But if you're anything like me, after a few years, maybe a year in, I start becoming lazy, more at ease. And then that's when I start being more carefree. When I'm dragging the chair across the floor, or I'm, carrying a bunch of things and I know I can drop it on my floors. After about a year, that starts happening, and that's when I start seeing some wear and tear here and there. However, with vinyl flooring, it's chill, it's strong, it's made out of stone, it is waterproof, it is super scratch and dent resistant. It's really good if you just want to have an easy clean and for it to look as good and last as long as possible. The next point is, it is cost effective as compared to all these other types of flooring. Engineered hardwood, those are going to break the bank when you want to have a new look for your house. But vinyl flooring really is affordable, and there's a large range from super affordable to something more luxury if you really want to invest into something that's going to last you your lifetime. Not only is it cost effective, it's comfortable as well. When you're walking in the basement, your tiled basement, and your feet are super cold and you're always having to wear sandals, I don't see the point of that, because you bought floors so that you can feel the floors, right? It only makes sense. You're not gonna try to hide from the floors that you're spending so much money on. If you're ever considering different types of waterproof floors, I would urge you to really consider vinyl over tiles. One, it's warmer. Two, it mimics the look of real wood. You can continue the floor from the foyer all the way through into the house, which is a really good design style nowadays. My preference is vinyl over tile. So another reason that vinyl flooring is so popular in Mississauga in the GTA area is because it's trendy. I said that it mimics the look of wood in other videos, and I mean it. To the untrained eye, it's actually insanely difficult to tell the difference between vinyls and engineered. It basically gives you all, if not most, of the benefits of natural looking wood without the downsides. The only thing is, I would say natural wood does feel softer and warmer to the touch. Other than that, vinyl flooring triumphs over natural wood. So now you guys know that vinyl flooring is tough as nails. It can handle the winter months, the summer months, water, dirt, whatever, you name it. It has wide planks, which is really trending nowadays. It has color options from natural wood tones to more trendy gray as well. It is being used as a standard product in a lot of condo and new builds. And so if you live in the Mississauga or GTA area, I would say there's no reason why you should not go with vinyl flooring for your next flooring project.